All right, welcome back to the 5-week challenge on how to use your fountain pens. And this is week 4 of that challenge. And on this challenge, how to use your fountain pens, I thought about having this kind of goes back to overlaps with journaling, but have a journal, have a book where you're writing out, and you could just scribble this out and just for fun somewhere. You're waiting at the airport or you're waiting at the doctor's office. Okay, have a journal of single scenes. In other words, you're not writing a whole book. You're really not writing a whole short story, very short story either. It's just a scene. Somebody comes home from work and there's trash all over the place and they're going around, and you describe what's going on there. I did a couple of scenes. One was some people going out to sail and they ran into a storm. They went through the storm and the storm subsided. Okay, that could work into an overall story, but it was just one scene. I'm trying to think off the top of my head what the other scene was, and it's not coming. There was a picture, and this is an idea. There was a picture on the wall, and I looked at that picture because I remember getting up one morning, and this idea came to my mind as I saw this picture of a dad and his 2 sons sitting there, and the dad's reading his sons these stories, and the different kinds of expressions that the 2 boys had as the dad was reading the story. And it was just one scene, and I just wrote about what was going on in that scene. And I thought that was kind of cool. And who knows, I mean, maybe one scene will turn into a short story. It may turn into the next great novel. Okay, so one scene, it could be a page, couple of pages, it doesn't matter. Don't try to make it too long, otherwise you may lose interest in this. But just as a challenge to kind of get you started, and how just another thing that you could use your fountain pens for is just write out of single scenes. I'm having a time trying to figure out how to describe that. Okay, a series of single scenes. They don't have to be connected. And so for the next week, get your pen out and just look at a picture, look at just something happening outside. You don't have to know the real situation of that picture or that the scene, but just make up your own. Use your imagination and let it flow through the pen onto the paper. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.